Amigurumi Joys, easy amigurumi and crochet projects. Do you love adding a little handmade touch to your favorite books? In this tutorial, I'll show you how to crochet a leaf and a long stem bookmark and attach it to different crochet flowers. You can use any of the crochet flowers from my previous tutorials to make a beautiful handmade flower bookmark. All links are in the description below. So grab your yarn and crochet hook, and let's get started. Leaf. Start with a slip knot. Then make 7 chain stitches. Start crocheting from the 3rd chain from the hook. One double crochet stitch in next 2 chains. One half double crochet stitch into the next chain. One single crochet stitch into the next chain and a slip stitch into the last chain. Make chain 1. Skip the chain and make a slip stitch into the chain where the previous slip stitch was made. Continue crocheting on the other side of the beginning chain. One single crochet stitch, one half double crochet stitch, two double crochet stitches in chain 2. Skip 2 chains and make a slip stitch into the last stitch. Do not cut off the yarn. Continue crocheting the stem. Make 45 chain stitches. Since I use chain stitches for the stem, you will be able to make the bookmark any length you need. Just increase or decrease the number of chain stitches to achieve the desired length. Skip the first chain from the hook and turn back with slip stitches. Cut off the yarn. Secure and hide the yarn tail. Sew the bookmark to the flower. Thank you for watching.